Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In the step-by-step tutorial, we're going to reveal to you how you can flip an image or a photo in your documents on Google Docs really quickly. So let us get started. Alright guys, so as you can see, I added this example photo of a green exotic parrot, just like that. Now guys, if you'd like to flip it, you won't be able to do it by simply inserting it here through that menu and through the image options here to the right, because as you can see, if I access these image options, I will be able to rotate it only, but flipping it horizontally or vertically is not possible. At least I don't see any of these flipping options here. So let me delete that image here. What you want to do instead, guys, is access the drawing tool here on Google Docs and insert your photo that way. To do that, click on insert here at the top, and after that, hover your mouse over drawing and select new here to the right. After that, you will be taken to the drawing tool. So what you want to do is use that button here at the top image to upload your photos. So let me upload it from my device really quickly. And after a moment, it will be added to your library, and then it will appear here on your drawing space. So what you want to do is adjust, for example, its size and its position, just like that. So to flip it, simply select it with your left mouse and click on Actions here in the top left corner. And from that drop-down menu, select or hover your mouse over rotate. And there you go, here to the right, and in that drop-down menu, you will see these two options: flip horizontally and flip vertically. So choose the option you like for example, flip horizontally. And as you can see, the image or the photo has been flipped perfectly. Now to apply these changes, click on Save and Close in the top right corner. And now, as you can see, the photo has been added, flipped in this case. And that's it, guys. That's how you do it. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time.